Don't drink water before meals. Q's water surrounds the space in the stomach. Eat yogurt in the morning, which will keep the digestive system healthy. Helps in improving digestion by making it more regular. Some research has even shown that consuming lean red meat can increase the amount of lean mass gained with weight training. Omega-3 is known to reduce inflammation and stress levels in the body, which can contribute to weight gain. Dates are also rich in fiber, which helps in weight management. This helps you gain weight that is appropriate for your body. Milk is a great source of calories, protein, and beneficial nutrients that may help you safely gain weight and build muscle. It is full of healthy fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. At 10 calories per tablespoon, peanut butter for weight gain wins the race.